Ever found yourself needing to move some funds out of your YouTrip account and wondered if it's even possible? It's a question I get asked a lot, and it's a valid one. You're using YouTrip for its convenience, its multi-currency features, maybe even for travel. But sometimes, life happens, and you need to access that money elsewhere. So, can you transfer money out of YouTrip? The short answer is yes, but it's not quite as straightforward as transferring money in. YouTrip is primarily designed for spending and exchanging currencies, offering a seamless experience for those activities. Think of it as your digital travel wallet, perfectly suited for international transactions and everyday expenses. However, transferring funds out requires a slightly different approach. YouTrip doesn't offer a direct transfer to another bank account in the traditional sense. You can't just punch in some numbers and send money directly to your savings account or a friend. This is because YouTrip operates a bit differently than a traditional bank. It's an e-wallet focused on facilitating spending and currency exchange rather than holding and transferring large sums of money. So, how do you get your money out? There are a couple of primary methods. The most common way is simply to spend the money. YouTrip provides you with a physical or virtual MasterCard. You can use this card anywhere MasterCard is accepted, both online and in physical stores. So, if you need to access cash, you can withdraw it from an ATM, just like you would with a regular debit card. Keep in mind that ATM withdrawals might incur fees, both from YouTrip and the ATM provider itself, so it's always wise to check those beforehand. Another way to access your funds is to use your YouTrip card for everyday purchases. Groceries, bills, online shopping, anything you'd normally use a debit card for, you can use your YouTrip card. This effectively transfers the money out of your YouTrip account and into the merchant's account. Now, while direct bank transfers aren't an option, these spending methods offer a practical workaround. They allow you to access and utilize your funds in a variety of situations. It's important to understand the limitations, though. YouTrip isn't designed for large-scale transfers or acting as a primary bank account. It's built for specific use cases, primarily spending and currency exchange. Think of it this way: you load up your YouTrip account with the money you anticipate needing for travel or online purchases. You then use the card to spend that money. It's a smooth and convenient process for its intended purpose. If you're looking to move significant amounts of money, or if you require regular bank transfers, a traditional bank account is still the best option. YouTrip complements that, offering a specialized tool for specific financial activities. It's about understanding the strengths of each financial tool and using them appropriately. So, while you can't directly transfer money out of YouTrip to another bank account, you can access your funds through spending and ATM withdrawals. It's a slightly different approach, but it achieves the same goal of giving you access to your money. Understanding these nuances is key to effectively using your YouTrip account. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.